through testing that we will be able to determine where the infection is and who is infected and take the appropriate action to be able to place those individuals in isolation so that we break the cycle of transmission. So testing is critical for this response. As we have said repeatedly here, we have continued to build up the nation's capacity for testing. In the beginning, we were doing most of the testing within national laboratories and facilities, which happen to have the instrumentation required for that. That is not to say that the counties also do not have some level of capacity to do this testing. We do know that most counties do have facilities. I had mentioned earlier that one of the things we are working on the counties is how do we decentralize the testing, because that is a necessity. As we move forward, as the demand for testing increases, the need for testing increases, we are going to require to be able to do these things within the counties for the quick turnaround of results and the appropriate action that is required.